Hi guys, so we're just gonna open this and yeah. So yeah. Okay, where's the zipper?
Okay. It's a black ball.
Yeah.
Right? Come on, mantha.
I wish Santa can bring me like a gold. Oh, I see surprise. In black. Zipper. I saw a surprise. Ta-da! Here's a surprise. Don't open it. Okay. Oh, I found a surprise. Put the surprises up. Now, Betty ball. That was a confetti ball, guys. That's like boom! And that was super funny. Now it's okay. There you go. And let's open this. I think we got this one. I think we got this one. I think we got it. This is the time I was waiting for. Oh, yes. We definitely got her. We got this one, Mom. We got this one. I think we got this one. I think we got this one. I think we're going to get. I think we're going to get this one. I'm so excited. See. I'm so excited. Okay, guys. I'm super amazed right now. I'm super excited. Okay. So, yeah, guys, I'm super excited. Open it. Yes, we got it. See, I told you we got her. See, she's on the ball here. Sugar's on the ball. And I'm super excited.
So we got sugar.
It popped out. Mom, I'm opening your clothes. Thank you. Okay, put that over there. Now we should get her bottle out here. I think this is her bottle. Mom, can I open this? Is this her? Oh, this is beautiful and it's so pretty. I'm freaking out. Seriously, guys, I am freaking out. I am freaking out. I can't believe it's her. I was like wishing for a space or something. This is what I was wishing for someone else. Boom, and it's here. And I just don't know how to just pull it out. Okay, I'm freaking out, guys. I was wishing for someone else I was wishing for her, our pretty queen. Well, this is Santa. I can't believe we found her, guys. Guys, I can't believe we found her, actually. But, yeah. And, it's a bottle in here. Where did you look it? Okay. I'm gonna get her bottle out too, you know. Okay. I'm gonna get her bottle out next. This is the last. Okay, it is so amazing, huh? I can't believe this is what happening to me. Guys, click like here if you haven't seen this already. This is the one. Okay. Guys, have you seen these videos? Yes, you have. So, this click right here. And this click right here. I'm just gonna... Guys, thank you for coming here. And, yeah. So, I'm trying to get this in. Okay. So I'm gonna put her shoes on now. Bye. There we go.
This is Sugar. So glittery, so cute. She looks like an angel.
Yeah, she looks like an angel.
Oh my gosh.
If you have her, guys, this is the kind I have.
Okay, and she is the color changer, so we'll see later.
Yep.
Okay. Next. Open down your one, mantha.
Oh, yeah. Can you after I open this? Do you love Chinese food? It is so yummy. It's good. If you eat Chinese food, it's gonna be super yummy. It's gonna drive you crazy. Check out what's the first clue.
First clue is same thing.
Same thing.
It's
We're gonna get a duplicate.
Success.
We're gonna get a duplicate. Please don't be a duplicate.
2 sugar.
2 sugars. I think it's this. I think tell your mom that this is a duplicate. It's okay, and it's gonna be sugar, cream, or spice. It's okay if it's gonna if we have it already, guys. This subscribe right here, and don't scroll my head, guys. Just over there. Okay, yeah, behind the corner. Okay, I'll just zip it from the bottom. There we go. Now I can zip it. Now I can keep zipping. Guys, later on, guys, we're gonna have the l.o.l color change, right, Mom? So yeah, because sugar cream. Is it sugar cream? Sugar cream is gonna color change in the water. So yeah, I'm super excited right now. So yeah, for that. And yeah. So but yeah, I hope we don't get a duplicate, but it's okay. Please don't be a duplicate. Please don't be a duplicate. Please don't be a duplicate. We need another duplicate. We don't got a duplicate. Yay, we don't got a duplicate. Yay, we don't got a duplicate. Look, Mommy don't got a duplicate. Yay.
That's it, baby.
We got it, baby. Yay. Yay.
So we got it, baby.
I got her glasses.
Very cute.
Okay, that's last. There we go. Oh, it's baby. There we go. Guys, if you haven't get all of these, subscribe right here. I haven't get all of these. Or have you get all of these? I have get all of these. If you haven't, if you have, just click it. Oh, we got our bottle. There we go. Now we can open it. Oh, for sure. There we go. And, first.
So we got it, baby. Very cute. There you go.
Get these.
With her little tiara. That's so cute and very shiny. There.
Thank you.
And now let's see Sugar on her color changer.
There she color changes. 1, 2, 3. She does. Look, she does color change. Look, she does color change.
Let's see.
I'll
Oh, okay. So she will have a bathing suit on.
I'll put a towel right here.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whee!
Oh, and she has wings. She has wings on her back. Let me see, Mantha.
See?
Look. Get it, get it. And she has wings on her back.
I want to see it.
Oh
It baby
my God.
color changes.
No, she doesn't color change.
Okay.
There you go.
I'll feed her. I
Very
wanna
cute.
feed her water.
Okay. Who?
This one. If she cries or spits.
Oh, let's see.
Thirsty?
Mm-hmm. Okay, Mantha.
Thirsty? So?
No more.
Why?
Let's see. Squeeze.
She cries. She cries. I think she cries. Or tinkles. No, she cries.
She's crying. Let me see. She cries?
She cries. Yep.
Oh.
I'm cold. I'm cold. I'm cold. She's cold.
Okay.
She's cold.
Okay, that's it.
She is
Mantha.
cold. She
Say
is
bye now.
super cold. Bye, guys.
You need to look over here.
Bye, guys.